Welcome to this in-depth review of the FTX wallet, a leading choice for secure cryptocurrency storage and transactions. FTX wallet is renowned for its intuitive interface, robust security measures, and broad compatibility with numerous cryptocurrencies, making it an ideal option for both beginners and seasoned crypto users. The first thing to note about FTX wallet is its streamlined design. Users are greeted with a clear, easy-to-navigate dashboard that provides instant access to balances, transaction history, and market trends. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana to a variety of altcoins, ensuring flexibility for diverse portfolios. Security is at the forefront of FTX Wallet's offerings. It employs advanced encryption, two-factor authentication, and multi-signature functionality to protect user funds. Additionally, the wallet offers a seamless integration with hardware wallets for those seeking extra layers of security. One of the standout features is its support for staking. Users can stake specific coins directly within the wallet to earn rewards, adding value to their holdings without needing to transfer assets to third-party platforms. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. The wallet also boasts a robust mobile application, ensuring users can manage their funds on the go. The app mirrors the desktop experience with seamless synchronization and offers biometric authentication for added convenience. Moreover, FTX Wallet integrates with decentralized applications, dApps, expanding its functionality for those interested in decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFTs. With its competitive fee structure, users can transact efficiently without incurring hefty charges. FTX Wallet also provides comprehensive customer support, with a dedicated help center and live chat to resolve issues promptly. If you're looking for a wallet that combines ease of use, advanced features, and top-notch security, the FTX Wallet is a solid choice. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this wallet offers everything you need to manage and grow your digital assets effectively. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more expert reviews and tips on navigating the crypto world.